Hi there, my name's Natalie, and I researched the letterpress with Alice and Bronte in our Design for Production Assignment 3 presentation. To provide a general overview of the letterpress production method, the letterpress is a machine which replicates images through ink impression. This can be on a continuous roll or singular sheets. It's a traditional method that has been overtaken by the development of modern lithography, but that is very much relevant and made use of by designers today, however on a smaller scale. The letterpress provides opportunities to set type line by line, and this is where the traditional methods shine. It's not often with computer technology that we need to hand set type, but it's evident that celebrating the traditional method produces unique and special pieces with emphasis on texture and beveling. There are 3 kinds of letterpress: the rotary letterpress, the platen type letterpress, and the flatbed cylinder letterpress. The rotary letterpress involves 2 moving cylinders in which stock is passed through the center and an impression is made with ink that is applied to a raised surface. This method is typically used for long-run commercial printing. The platen type letterpress is composed of 2 flat surfaces in which a raised plate is locked to a flat surface, inked, and pressed against the stock. This is most commonly used for short-run business cards and stationery. The 3rd kind of letterpress is the flatbed cylinder, where a roller is inked and presses an impression onto the substrate. This method is quite slow-moving and are limited to 1 or 2 colors. The letterpress possesses massive potential and can be used to create a wide range of prints. These are commonly business cards, stationery, invitations, and posters. Here are some examples of letterpress potential. We can use blind impressions, overprinting, maximizing the use of the bite and kiss, and creating a raised effect. The letterpress is limited in its use, however it does not print large areas of color very successfully. Type must also be a minimum of 6 point, and dots should be 0.5 or thicker. Linking in with the artwork setup, which was my topic of research for the group assessment, colors cannot be RGB or CMYK, but only spot colors. It should also be noted that deep impressions may show through to the reverse side, and therefore the bite and kiss must be carefully considered in the design process. It may also be handy to note that the artwork will appear differently on a backlit screen in Illustrator or on a computer than it will on various paper stocks. Overprint can also be utilized with the letterpress to create a mixing of colors and visual effect through layering. The final artwork typically needs to be submitted as a PDF with a 3mm bleed. As previously mentioned, the spot colors are to be used and it is preferred that each color is submitted on a separate PDF file. Images must also be very high quality and ideally a minimum of 300 dpi converted to bitmap, but most printers prefer 600 dpi. The Melbourne Writers' Festival is a major literary event which celebrates political and cultural conversation and interaction. It has rapidly gained interest and popularity and is currently the largest literary event for students. The previous campaign our group decided to investigate was titled A Matter of Life and Death, and the event we picked was the opening night gala. We decided to create an invitation for the opening night gala, and this is my design. This is my design for the letterpress invitation for the opening night. This is my press ready file and the Pantone spot colors noted on the side there. And this is my invitation in a little mock-up. Thank you very much for watching.